I guess if you're looking for a Defender, they don't come much better looking than this one just arrived. 2021-21 Defender D250 3-litre diesel S model, Santorini black, but it is the exterior styling of this particular car that looks amazing. With 30,000 miles on it, still under Land Rover warranty until 2024. But let's just take some time to appreciate the exterior of this particular car. 22-inch wheels, bonnet decal, black styling, matrix lights, fully black styling, so the bottom sections are all de-chromed front and rear. Checkerboarding all around, to the bumper, to the mirrors, side steps, roof rails, side ladder and carry box on the other side, spare wheel cover. I think we sell a lot of these cars, we're experienced in selling them, and we get them in, and a black car is always very popular, but then when it's got the exterior add-ons like this one, the light surrounds, checkerboarding, mud flaps, because of this car's age, it's in a lovely order. It's got air suspension, it's got heated steering wheel, it's got heated front seats, it's got 360 Pivi Pro camera system, so the insides are fabulous with a full leather interior as well. But when we talk about exterior styling, it doesn't come much better, which means that this one should be really, really popular. Love the carry gearbox on the side. I think it just beefs it up. It just makes it look a little bit more substantial with roof rails, keyless entry, obviously painted black door handles, steps. It's also got a full leather interior. It's a great vehicle. And on a 21, it comes with air suspension, which is now an option you have to pay for, which I like. It's got full digital dashboard. Again, not a standard feature. So if you look at things inside, you're getting a lot of options in this car that you don't get standard anymore. From the leather interior, again, that's not standard, to the keyless entry, that's not standard, but this is a 110, so you get the rear space for a family or whatever you need the car for, USB and C points in the back and in the back of the seats as well if you wanted to put some rear entertainment in there. And then jumping in, love the driving position of the Defender, and then this one is no different to any other one we sell, with just unbelievable specification inside, from the leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, cruise control with lane assist, full switchable digital interface behind the steering wheel, and the really impressive Pivi Pro interface with navigation, Bluetooth, wireless smartphone integration, all your four-wheel drive and terrain settings, all very, very easy to use as well. Popping it into reverse, we've got the 360 camera, off-road and on-road cameras, 3D surround view camera as well. It's really impressive stuff. If you come inside and look next to the gear shifter, which is really important, we have the switchable air suspension just here. We have heated front seats, digitalised climate control, heated front and rear screen, 2 keys, USB, USB points. Let's not forget, it's one of the best four-wheel drives you can physically buy, the Defender. So off-road or on-road, it's going to suit what you look to use it for. But most people will buy one of these and drive them on the road and use them on the road. And this one's certainly got that head-turning look about it if you do so. From the 22-inch wheels to the things that I've mentioned, it's had a lot of money spent on it to make it look like this, which means that if you buy it, there's nothing you need to do to make it look even better. On the website now, 2021, Land Rover warranty until 2024 with breakdown assistance. It's done 30,000 miles in a lovely order. It's a real seller. Be quick. Thanks for watching.